Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most practical and innovative home essentials. Today, we're reviewing the best laundry basket collapsible fabric with handles, the durable collapsible laundry basket, mesh pop-up laundry hamper. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, family home, or always on the go, this product just might be your next must-have. Let's start with its design. This laundry hamper is crafted from a breathable mesh material that allows air to circulate, which helps prevent musty odors from building up in your clothes. The mesh is surprisingly durable, resisting tears and holding up well under consistent use. It's structured enough to stand upright when open, yet collapses flat in seconds for compact storage. That makes it a perfect fit for tight spaces like closets, behind doors, or under the bed. Now let's talk about portability. One of the standout features here is the reinforced carry handles. These handles are sewn with extra stitching and made to carry heavy loads without cutting into your hands or feeling flimsy. Whether you're hauling laundry down to a basement, across a dorm hallway, or loading the car for a weekend away, this basket moves with you easily. The built-in side pocket is another thoughtful touch. It's ideal for storing laundry detergent pods, dryer sheets, or even your phone or keys while you do your laundry. No more juggling supplies or forgetting them on top of the machine. Now, let's zoom in on why this hamper is ideal for different living setups. For students in dorms, it's light, foldable, and perfect for squeezing into shared spaces. For parents, it makes sorting laundry a breeze. Buy a few and designate one for each kid. And for travelers, it's a fantastic way to manage clothes on the go. You can fold it into a suitcase and pop it back open when you arrive. Cleaning the hamper is also effortless. Since it's mesh, a simple wipe down or rinse will keep it fresh. The material dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about mildew or lingering moisture. The visual aesthetic is clean and modern. It usually comes in neutral tones like gray, so it blends into most spaces without being an eyesore. That's particularly handy if you're keeping it in a shared room or small apartment. When it comes to capacity, this pop-up hamper is deceptively large. It can easily hold several days' worth of clothes, including towels and linens. Despite its light frame, it doesn't buckle under pressure. You can fill it to the brim, and it still holds shape well enough for a sturdy carry. And here's something worth highlighting: it requires zero assembly. Right out of the package, you open it up, and it's ready to use. No screws, no zippers, no setup time. That plug-and-play simplicity is a win for anyone who values convenience. To wrap up, the durable collapsible laundry basket delivers on all fronts: smart design, reliable strength, user-friendly features, and space-saving convenience. It's not just a laundry hamper, it's a portable, breathable, functional solution for all your clothes handling needs. If you're someone who appreciates practical tools that actually make your daily routines smoother, this is a product you'll want to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews of everyday essentials that make life a little bit easier.